Elevate your bathroom experience with our toothbrush holders. Designed for convenience and style, they feature a sleek wall-mounted design, 2 cups for toothbrushes, a convenient toothpaste dispenser, and a spacious tray with a built-in cosmetic drawer. Transform your bathroom into a functional and chic oasis with these essential accessories. Everlasting Comfort's Cool Mist Humidifiers for bedroom offer unparalleled relief and relaxation. Featuring a sizable 6L capacity, they effortlessly cover areas up to 500 square feet, ensuring every corner of your bedroom receives rejuvenating moisture. With an impressive runtime of up to 50 hours, enjoy uninterrupted comfort throughout the day and night. Engineered for tranquility, these humidifiers operate quietly, allowing you to sleep soundly and go about your daily activities undisturbed. The innovative no-filter design not only simplifies maintenance, but also ensures clean, pure mist for optimal respiratory health. Say goodbye to dry skin, allergies, and congestion as you indulge in the refreshing mist of Everlasting Comfort's Cool Mist Humidifiers. Elevate your bedroom environment and prioritize your well-being with this essential addition to your home. Elevate your bedroom experience with the Smartro SC91 projection alarm clock. Featuring a built-in weather station, wireless indoor-outdoor thermometer, and temperature-humidity monitor gauge hygrometer, it keeps you informed about environmental conditions. Project the time and weather onto your wall or ceiling for easy viewing, adding both convenience and style to your bedroom. Stay ahead of the weather and ensure optimal comfort with this multifunctional alarm clock. Light up your outdoor excursions with the Rechargeable Flashlight. This pack of 2 super bright flashlights emits an impressive 900,000 lumens, providing unparalleled illumination for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Equipped with 7 modes, including a COB work light, they adapt to various situations with ease. Built to endure harsh conditions, these IPX6 waterproof flashlights ensure reliability in any environment. Elevate your outdoor experience with these powerful and versatile handheld LED flashlights. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal with the silicone cooking utensil set. Crafted to withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, these heat-resistant utensils include turner, tongs, spatula, spoon, brush, and whisk, catering to all your culinary needs. Designed for use with non-stick cookware, these BPA-free tools ensure scratch-free cooking surfaces. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning, they offer both convenience and peace of mind. Elevate your cooking experience with this comprehensive set of kitchen gadgets, providing durability, versatility, and safety for all your culinary adventures. Whether you're flipping pancakes, sautéing vegetables, or whisking sauces, these silicone utensils are essential companions in any kitchen, promising reliable performance and long-lasting quality. Elevate your cleaning routine with our upgraded Broom and Dustpan Set. Featuring a 52-foot-long handle, this set is perfect for sweeping kitchen messes, office debris, or lobby floors with ease. The standing dustpan design ensures convenient storage and efficient dirt collection, making cleaning a breeze in any space.